Good morning, everyone. We are on part 2. If you haven't seen part 1, go see part 1 of the 12 laws of the universe. And we're on the actual first law, the law of divine oneness. Everything is connected. So it says, understanding this law is important. As we do, we realize that we think of each other should only be for good. If we think good of others, they will think good of you. It is essential that the thoughts, feelings, and actions be for good, for what we reap, we sow. As you gain full understanding of the laws, you will see how they are all related and overlap each other and govern the world we live in. Everything consists and exists as energy. Your subatomic particles aren't fixed. In fact, particles may be flowing into and out of you now from this page. The sky, the floor, your best friend, and your worst enemy. In other words, there is no separation. Here is the important question to contemplate upon. How would you behave if you really knew that you were not separate from all of life, your friends, your colleagues, and even being that has been ever existed? The answer is you probably act different. It says, let's take a deeper look about the understanding of divine oneness. It has many names. People call it the source of the world. Wayne Dyer calls it spirit. Some call it energy. Others call it karma or Buddha. Whatever it is, there is it, and it unites us all. So let's find out how we are connected to everyone else. You are born from another human being, two actually. Two people connected made you. There is no other way to make life. And two people who made you, another two people had to make them. And the two people who made them took another two people to make them. On it goes as it gets processed. We are connected somehow through this process. And somewhere way back there, this process was started somewhere. It says, so this is how we are all connected. You may affirm, but what about being connected to everything else? You are born, and then you will die. This is inevitable. When you die, you will return to earth. The Bible says you are dust, and you are dust, and to dust you will return. We will return to earth, and then we will die. We become the dust that creates fertile ground in which our food grows and nourishes us. We flow into the water to feed the life to plants and to other animals. It says, look at the dust, a substance that forms fertile soil, the dust that makes the soil on which our food grows and nourishes people. Add water to the equation. The water evaporates and then goes up, and it turns blue and turns into a rain cloud. All of us are back into dust in that very important, our lives. We communicate exactly like this. So I'm going to stop there, and then I'll make a part 3.